Okay, so okay, what is Java? Okay, so Java is a programming language and a platform. So what is basically a programming language? Like similar, we have other programming languages like C++, Python, PHP, Ruby Rails, like that. So Java is also a programming language and it is a platform. Okay, so what is basically a platform? So platform, any hardware or software environment in which the program runs is basically a platform. Okay, so what is a hardware environment? So if you take a mobile phone, okay, if you take a mobile phone, so mobile phone basically it having its own like motherboard, it have all its hardware components. On top of hardware components, okay, so you can program Java, okay. Or else if you take ATM machines, okay, in ATM machine it's a hardware device. On top of hardware device, the software or your Java programming is running, okay. So that is basically hardware. Next is software environment, okay. So software environment, for example, if you take a web browser, okay, web browser, or else if you take your desktop apps like antivirus or calculators, okay. So you can write programs on it, okay. So that's why uh, okay, that is basically platform, okay. So platform means any hardware or a software environment in which program runs, okay. So Java is basically it's a programming language and a platform. Okay, so we'll see where it is used, okay. According to the Sun, okay. So basically, now the Sun microsystem is not there. Now the Java is acquired by Oracle. Okay, previously it was Sun Microsystem. Later the company was brought by Oracle. Okay, so according to the Sun, 3 billion devices run Java. Okay, so they're telling like at present 3 billion devices which uses Java. There are many devices where Java is currently used. Some of them as follows. Okay, so here we will see some of the users of Java. One is desktop applications, okay. So that is such as Acrobat, Reader, Media Player, Antivirus, etc. Okay, so we have different types of applications. An application which run in your computer, okay, that is basically desktop applications, okay. So what are basically your desktop applications means? See all the apps here we install, right? See whether see your antivirus or your calendar, simple calculator, camera, okay. So these are the applications, okay. Basically we will call it as a desktop applications, okay. So that is basically desktop applications. So next you have something called as web applications. So web applications, for example, which it is running on the Chrome, okay, which you, I mean, any browser if you take, okay. If you have a URL, for example, if you type www.facebook.com or instagram.com, okay. So these are all basically web applications, okay. So in this course, once uh, after covering core Java, we will discuss about the this J2EE concepts. Okay, we will start building apps. Okay, sorry, we will build web pages. So for the web applications. Okay, so that is web applications. The applications which run on the browser. Okay. So next, enterprise applications such as banking applications. So enterprise applications means where the transactions will happen, okay, where the customer will buy products, okay, whether it might be your e-commerce application or banking applications, okay, where the transaction will happen between the customer, okay. So that is basically enterprise applications. So next, having mobile phones, okay, your Android operating system, we will call it as a mobile phone operating system, okay. So Java is used in the mobile phone apps as well, to create a mobile phone apps as well. Next is embedded system. Okay, embedded system is basically where hardware and software components. Okay, your Java code will run on the hardware environment as well. Okay, so that is basically embedded system. Next is a smart card. Okay, if you have a ATM card or a debit card, okay, on the back side we have a black stripes, right? So that is basically uh, you have a Java code running on it. Okay, your Java code will be on that black stripes. Okay, so there also our Java code is used. Okay, next is robotics. So you can develop robots as well. Okay, so you can use your Android uh, operating system to control the robots as well. Okay, so you can develop robots as well. Okay, next you can develop games as well. Okay, by using Java programs you can develop games as well. Okay, but but see, each programming language is designed for some purpose, right? So similarly, okay, like a lot of games are developed by using C Sharp and Unity. Okay, still you can develop games through Java as well. Okay, so these are all the some of the uses of Java. Okay, okay. So next we will see editions of Java. Okay, this is very important because some of the job postings will be like Java EE developers are required. Okay, or else Java SE developers are required. Like that, they will post in the social media. Okay, so that you have to know the editions. Okay, so first edition is Java SE, Java Standard Edition. It is the Java programming platform. It includes Java programming APIs such as java.lang, IO, java.net, Java util. Okay. See, this Java SE is used to develop desktop applications. Okay. As I told you, what are the desktop applications? The simple calculator or antivirus. Okay. The applications which run on your computer. Okay. That is basically Java standard editions. Okay, so basically we use swings and applets. Okay, we to develop the this desktop applications you require swings and all. Okay, in this course we are not concentrating on developing the desktop applications. Okay, we are you are enrolled for Java EE. Okay, you basically learn how to develop the web applications. Okay, we are not concentrating on the standard editions. Okay, this standard editions having only 10% of the market share. When you take 100% of jobs, only 10% of jobs, okay, will be allocated for the Java standard edition. Okay, so if you want to learn Java standard edition you have to learn the swings, but the swings we are not learning. You are enrolled for the this enterprise edition course. Okay, you end of the course you are able to develop the enterprise edition. Okay, so now, okay, what is J2EE? So it is an enterprise platform which is mainly used to develop web and enterprise applications. Okay, so in this course we are going to learn how to develop web and enterprise applications. Okay, so if you want to develop a Java J2EE developer, you need to learn servlets, JSP, web server. Okay, so we are going to learn about all the topics. Okay, and first 10 classes will be on core Java. Okay, first 10 classes we learn about all the basics things we require to develop a web application. We will learn, then we will jump into the servlet, JSP, then we will work on REST APIs, then we will work on JDBC. You are going to learn so many things in this course. Okay, we are also learn about the Spring framework as well. Okay, we are going to develop projects as well. Okay, so you are going to learn so many things. Okay, like once you finish 20 classes, so you are in a situation where you can develop your own web application. Okay, so that is what we will do. Okay, so now I think you know like what kind of jobs you can apply. So wherever they mention like Java EE developers are required. Okay, so you can you can apply for these jobs. Okay, so Java EE. Okay, 90% of jobs will be allocated for the Java EE. Okay, this is having a huge market. Okay, So yeah, so we'll concentrating on developing the web applications. Okay, because now every day the new businesses will come. For each business they require web applications. Okay, where for example, if you take any e-commerce applications. Okay, so it requires this Servlet and JSP to make the web pages. Okay, so that is Java EE. Next is Java ME. So it is used to micro editions, which is mainly used to develop mobile applications. Okay, don't confuse. Okay, initially when I started my career, I felt like Java ME means Java mobile phone editions. I thought, okay, it's not mobile phone edition; it's a micro edition. Okay, so that is basically Java ME. Okay, Java micro edition. So if you want to develop any Android apps, okay, then you have to use the Java micro edition, Java ME. Okay, so that is basically Java ME, which is specifically designed for the mobile phone application. Next, Java FX is there. Okay, this is the new technology. Okay, this is a new technology which is used to develop rich internet applications. Okay, so now if your applications, okay, if your app is connected to the internet, okay, then you require Java FX components in your projects as well. Okay, so that is basically Java FX. Okay, so Java FX is to develop rich internet application. ME to for the mobile phone, EE for the web application, SE for the desktop applications. Okay, so these are all the some of the Java editions. Okay, so we'll discuss about history of Java. Okay, so before you going to learn anything, okay, you have to know what is the its history. So why you require this Java program, why it is designed. Okay, so history of Java, it started with James Gosling and Mike Sheridan initiated Java program in 1991. The small team of Sun engineers called as Green Team. Okay, so initially what happened? Uh, a company we had. Okay, the company name is Sun Microsystem. Okay, in Sun Microsystem, uh, they were they had some small team. Okay, the team which is led by the James Gosling and Mike Sheridan. Okay, these are the two people basically responsible for developing the Java programming language. Okay, this James Gosling, he is also called as father of Java. Okay, so these two people are very important. Huh? Okay, they are initiated Java programming in 1991. Okay, so Sun Microsystem employees, okay, one small team they created. Okay, they named it as a green team. They started the Java programming in 1991. Okay, in 1991 they started. In 1995, the first Java Java version came out. Okay, Java Alpha Edition came in 1995. Okay, Java 1996, Java 1.0 came into the market. Okay, so that is what it started. Okay, that is where it started in 1991. Okay, Java first Alpha Edition they launched in 1995. Okay, in 1996, Java 1.0 came. Okay, so like that, they started the project. So originally designed for small embedded systems in electronic applications like set-top boxes. Okay. Do you know what is set-top boxes? So no, do you know what is set-top boxes? You don't know?
Yeah, like set-top box we'll use for the TVs and
Yeah.
small
Yeah.
appliances. Electronics. Yeah.
Yes. So like in India, we have a famous operator called as the Sun Direct and Tata Sky, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So that
Right.
is a like small set-top boxes. It is a hardware device, right? So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, so initially they designed for the setup boxes. Okay, always remember, like what is the purpose? Okay, for the setup boxes. No, if you observe, the setup box is a hardware device. Okay, for the hardware device, they required uh, a programming language which runs on it. Okay, that's why the requirement came. Okay, so initially, no, in 1980s, they had a C programming language. After C programming language, in 1980s, 1985, we had a C++. It came into the market. So that time, what happened is the internet slowly evolving. Okay, if you take 1985, the internet they they what do you call, the internet was invented that time. Okay, so that time a lot of research invention takes place. That time, C++ was a popular programming language. Okay, they felt like C++ is the best. Slowly what happened, when internet came into the market, and they wanted a programming language which runs on the hardware device and software device as well. So the that was the main requirement came. Okay, okay, so Java programming, basically, when they wanted to design a set of boxes. So yeah, and if you take Android operating system, it is not designed for the mobile phones initially. Okay, they started for that project for the cameras. Okay, see, they designed for the cameras. They felt like, okay, it can be used for the mobile devices, so that they started using on the mobile phones as well. So like that, our Java programming, they used for the setup boxes. Okay, so firstly, they call it as a green talk. Okay, the Java program initially they call it as a green talk by James Gosling, and the file extension was .gt. Okay, see what will happen usually, when baby was born. Okay, initially we don't call by the name. Okay, when baby was born, we don't name the baby, right? We initially will call it as some sweetie, moon pie, like that. We will call the baby, right? So initially, for Java programming also, okay, we will name it as a green talk, like that. They felt okay. That time the given extension was .gt. Okay, now the extension was .java. Okay, initially they call it as a green talk, and gt was the extension. Okay, why they given green talk means the team name they call it as a green team, right? Okay, we will name it as a green talk, like that they felt. Okay, after that, they given name it as oak. Okay, they name it as a oak. Why they name it as a oak language means, the I think national tree of America and Canada is oak trees. It seems there were a lot of oak trees are there. Okay, national tree of America and Canada is oak. Okay, so that's why they call it as a oak language. Okay, yeah, so these two names. Next, according to James Gosling, Java was one of the top choices along with the Silk. Okay, so in like a lot of team members, they felt like, we will call it as a Silk language. Okay, because of the copyright issues, they not name it as a Silk. They had a unique choice, that is Java is so unique. Okay, that time nobody took this name. Okay, that's why they name it as a Java. Okay, so why that, where they took that name? Okay, Java is an island of Indonesia. Okay, where the first coffee has been produced. Okay, so Java coffee, okay, is so famous. Okay, so in Indonesia, okay, if you have a Google Maps, if you see, they have a island called as Java Island. Okay, so they named after that island. Okay, the Java Island. Okay, so there the Java name came. Okay, if you observe, okay, this Java symbol is there, no? Okay, this Java symbol, okay, Java symbol, see, it is coffee only. Okay,
Yeah.
so yeah, that's where they took the name, and that's where they given. Okay, okay, these are all about the history of Java. Okay, initially they call it as a green talk, extension was JT, then they call it as the oak language, then the silk was the priority. Okay, Then they finally name it as a Java. Okay, Java is an island near the Indonesia where the first coffee bean has been produced. Okay. Okay, so let's discuss about some of the topics. Okay, so this is kind of very important because no, a lot of interviews they will ask you what are the features of Java. Okay, so first feature is simple. Okay, first is simple. Simple because the syntax is based on C++. Okay, so if you already know the C++, okay, if you know the C++, it is easy to learn the Java. Okay, even if you don't know the C++, there is no mandatory first you need how to learn C++, then you have to learn Java. No. Okay, so first directly you can start from the Java only. Okay, there is no uh, there is no rule to learn C++ first like that. Okay, the first one is simple. Okay, the syntax is based on the C++. Okay, that is simple. Next is object oriented. Okay, so from the third class onwards, okay, I will start about the object oriented programming language. Okay, this is very important concepts. Okay, objects, classes, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation. Okay, so if you want code reusability, then you have to know this concept like inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation. Okay, these are all the very important concepts we are going to learn about it. Okay, that is object oriented. Okay, next is the platform independent. Okay, Java, it uses write once and run anywhere concept. Okay, because of the bytecode, they will call it as a platform independent. Okay, don't worry. One After explaining about the Java futures, I will explain about this what is bytecode. Okay, why the Java it call it as a platform independent. Okay, this is very important concept. Okay, I will explain the flow. Okay, of the platform independent. Okay, so yeah, we'll learn about it. Next is secured. Okay, Java is best known for its security. With Java, we can develop virus-free systems. Java secured because of no explicit pointers. Okay, if you know about C++, there they use something called as pointers. Okay, in Java, we don't use pointers. Okay, if you use pointers, what will happen? There might be a chance that memory leakage will happen. Okay, so we are not using any pointers here. Okay, we have something called as JVM. Okay, JVM will provide you automatic memory management. Okay, so that's why Java is secure. Okay, yeah, and Java is also run inside the virtual box. Okay, so that's why Java is secured. Okay, one is uh, because of the JVM, it provide you the automatic memory management. Okay, and we don't use any pointers as well in our Java programs. Okay, next is the multi-thread. Okay, this multi-thread, I think in class 8 or class 7 you going to learn about threads as well. Okay, a thread is like a like a separate program executing concurrently. We can write Java programs that deal with many tasks at once by defining the multiple threads. Okay, so threads are just like a separate programs. Okay, so if you want to do multiple tasks at a time, okay, then you require this multi-threading. Okay, so don't worry, you're going to learn about this. Okay, okay, so I was talking about platform independent concept, right? So okay, in interview they might ask like, can you explain me, okay, they will ask you this question, can you explain me the Java execution phases? Okay, they will ask you these questions. Can you explain in the Java execution phases? In the first phase, what will happen? First phase, we have to write the Java program by using valid syntax. Okay, first thing what we have to do is we have to write the Java program by using valid syntax. Okay, once you written by using syntax. So what is syntax? The every in Java program, every statement has to be closed by using the semicolon. Okay, the statement has to be closed with the semicolon. Okay, that is the syntax. Like that, we have to write the Java program by using the valid syntax. Then we have to give to the compiler. Okay, then you have to give to the compiler. The compiler will convert your Java code to the bytecode. Okay, guys, this is very very important. Okay, Java, how Java code will execute. Okay, so first we have to write the Java code, then you have to go give to the compiler, then you have to give to the first you have to write the Java code, then you have to give to the compiler. Compiler will convert your Java code to the bytecode. Okay, Java code to the bytecode. Okay, so now I will show you how what is this bytecode. Okay, okay, so see, if you want to execute a Java program, you require two things. Okay, one is JRE and another is JVM. Okay, one is JRE and another is JVM. Okay, so now what you have to do is, if you want to install these two things, just give download Java. Okay, download Java. Okay, just go to java.com download. Okay, okay, just click on this Java file. Okay, just give next, 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 next. Okay, your JRE will get downloaded. Okay, Sonal, do you have did you already installed Java on your computer?
Yeah.
Okay, so Eclipse also installed.
Eclipse, yes.
Okay, that's okay. So what you have to do is, so first go to just type Java download and go to this site. Just download it. Okay. Next,
Okay.
you require two things. One is JRE. Okay, that is Java. Okay. If you go to this site, okay, if you click this, okay, JRE will get download.
Mm-hmm.
Next, download JDK. Just use download JDK. Okay. Go to this oracle.com. Okay, just click on this icon. Okay, JDK download. Okay, so I will
Okay.
just add into your PPT as well so that you can download. JRE and JDK. For JDK, okay, you just go to this site and download. For JVM, sorry, for JRE. Okay, just type download Java. Okay, so just click on this and you can download it. Okay, I will just paste here. Okay, so these two things is the required. Okay, so once if you download this JDK and JRE, okay, so if you see here, if you go to your C drive, okay, go to the C drive, then you have something called as programs. See here, Java is there. Okay, inside that JRE is there. Okay, I think not here. Go click here and just check whether yeah, Java is there. Okay, see here, JDK is also installed. Okay, so these two things you should require. Okay, one is JDK that is installed in the program files, and another is where is that program files 86 here. Okay, so next is JRE. Okay, so we will discuss about what is JDK, JRE. Okay, okay, So first we have to write the Java program and we have to give to the compiler. Okay. So now what I will do is we will execute some small Java program. Okay, Notepad plus plus. Okay, so here I will just click on language. Okay, you don't need to install this. I want to show you the bytecode. Okay, so that's why I'm writing this program. So for you, installing of Notepad plus plus, nothing is required for you. Okay, so now let me write one small program, class hello. Okay, class hello. So now every Java program will contain a main method. For that I will write a main method, that is public static void main. Okay, this void main will contain the command line arguments. Okay, that is string args. Okay, now I will type system dot out dot println. Okay, so I want to tell hello Sonal. Okay, okay, Sonal Enela. Okay, so I just want to type this okay, so I will save it in my desktop. Where is desktop? For here I will name it as a hello only. Okay, hello.java. Okay, so now what I will do is okay, so now I will open the command prompt. Okay, so I need to navigate to the desktop. Okay, cd desktop. Yeah, desktop, desktop, desktop. Okay, let me type there. Where am I? Documents, downloads. Hmm. Okay, I will do one thing. I will paste this inside the documents, will be fine, I guess. Let me copy this. Let me paste. I think this computer have multiple users. That's why the problem is happening. Tejesh. Okay, so here I will paste inside the documents. Here documents. Okay, so here I will paste. Okay, so now what I will do is okay, so let me type dir. I will go inside cd documents. When I type dir, okay, hello.java is there. Okay, let me give java c hello.java. Okay, java c java c hello.java. Okay, I think the path is not set for my computer. Okay, I need to set the path. To set the path, what we have to do is mm, we need to go to the program files. We need to go to inside bin directory. Okay, so here Okay, I'm just copying this path. Okay, bin path. So what I will do is computer system properties. So here I want properties. Okay, so here you need to click on advanced system settings. Here environmental variables. So here path is there, and we need to edit this. Here Java is there. Okay. Okay, so Java is not there. So just click on new. So we need to paste the path and view OK and OK. Okay. So okay. So let me check advanced system settings, environment variables. So path is there. Just click on edit. Oh, sorry. Click on click on edit. Okay. So now JDK is there. Okay. Okay. So now what I will do is if you type Java, no, when I click enter, okay, so now Java is there. When I type Java C, okay, Java C, my recognized internal explain command. Java C. Okay, actually, this is the new computer. Okay, so I haven't configured properly. Okay, so in next class I will show you. Okay, about the bytecode and all. Okay, so don't worry about that. So it is just I haven't configured properly. This computer having multiple users. Okay, so that is what the problem is happening. Okay, let me install it properly. Okay, so for now just remember. Okay, so when you are okay, so once you give to the compiler, okay, your compiler, what it will do is it will convert your Java code to the bytecode. Okay, so bytecode. Okay, next what will happen, this bytecode is there, no, when you give to the JVM. Okay, when you give to the JVM, this JVM will convert your bytecode to the binary code. Okay, so that is what. Okay, in interview they will ask you about the compilation phases. Okay, tomorrow I will show you about the bytecode. Okay, I haven't configured the computer properly. Okay, so that's why I'm not able to show you the bytecode. So tomorrow I will show you that this bytecode and all. Okay, so first just write your Java code and give to the compiler. So your compiler will convert Java code to the bytecode. When you give your bytecode to the JVM will convert bytecode to the binary code. Okay, so that is what. Okay, that is what the execution phases. Okay, this is very important. These three phases. Okay, so this question will ask you in the interviews as well. Okay. Okay, so now we will discuss about JVM. Okay, as I told you, once your Java code is converted to the bytecode, okay, once your Java code is converted to the bytecode, okay, so the bytecode will be converted to the binary code, right? So your JVM will basically convert the bytecode into the binary code. Why it has to convert to the binary code means your computer, okay, will understand the binary code, okay, not the byte code. Okay, so that is what the main functionality of the JVM is. It will convert your your byte code to the binary code. Okay, not only the byte code. Okay, it will also loads the code, and also it verifies the code, and it will execute the code, and it will provide the runtime environment. Okay, so now if somebody asks you what is JVM means, JVM will convert your bytecode to the binary code, and also what are the main tasks it will perform means, it will load the code and verify the code, execute the code, and runtime environment. Okay, so now you know what is JVM, right? So let me explain about JRE, JDK, and JVM. Okay, let me open my Paint. Okay, so this is JVM. Okay, JVM will stands for Java Virtual Machine. Okay, so why we have to use JVM? To convert bytecode to the binary code, you require JVM. Okay, next you have something called a JRE. Okay, this is JRE. Okay, JRE is the combination of JVM. Okay, JVM and other libraries plus other libraries. Okay, other libraries. Okay, what does it means JRE will stands for Java Runtime Environment. Okay, JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. Okay, it is the combination of JRE and other libraries. Okay, now what happening is, this JVM is there, right? This JVM is executing your bytecode to the binary code. Okay, to support this functionality. Okay, JVM alone don't execute your Java program. Okay, it requires some libraries. Okay, those libraries will be provided by the JRE. Okay, this JRE is also physically exist. Okay, you can see the JRE. Okay, where you can see, when you go to the C drive. Okay, in C drive, in program 86 here, Java, see JRE is physically exist. Okay, why you want JRE means, it provide libraries for the JVM to execute the bytecode. Okay, that is what the functionality of the JRE. Okay, Java Runtime Environment. Okay, next you have something called as JDK. Okay, so JDK is combination of JRE Okay, it is a combination of JRE. Okay, JRE plus development tools. Okay, so this JRE, okay, is there now? JRE having the libraries as well. Okay, this is basically JDK. Okay, this JDK is also physically exist. Okay, physically exists. It is a combination of JRE plus developmental tools such as, if you want, compiler. Okay, compiler plus debugger. Okay, like that. Okay, this JDK contains all the development tools which is required for the developers. Okay, so that is the differences between JVM, JRE, JDK. Okay, JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. Okay, JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. Okay, JDK stands for Java Development Kit. What is JVM? JVM is used to convert bytecode to the binary code. Okay, what is JRE? JRE is useful, okay, with the JVM. Okay, JRE is useful with the JVM plus other libraries. Okay, so now JVM is performing the task, right? To perform the task, it requires the libraries. Okay, that is provided by the JRE. Okay, that is provided by your JRE. Okay, Next, what is JDK? JDK is a combination of JRE and developmental tools. Okay, that is the compiler and debugger. Okay, all the developers require, right? So everything will be provided by the JDK. Okay, this both JRE and JDK both are physically exist in nature, which means you can see. Okay, see here. Here you have the JRE. Okay, go to the program files. Okay, go to the program files. Here, if you see this Java, okay, see JDK is also there. Okay, JDK is also there. Okay, so this both are physically exist. Okay, that is the differences between JRE, JDK, JVM. Okay, so this question will be asked in interviews as well. Okay, just aware of this. Okay. Okay, so if you want, no, I told you it contains compiler and all, right? See, when you go to this JDK, no, open this bin directory. Okay, when you scroll down, you will have Java C, that is Java compiler only. See here, where is Java C? See here, this is JRE. Sorry, Java C, that is compiler. Okay, it contains all the tools which is required for the developer. Okay, okay. So now, okay, so I was supposed to execute in a command prompt, but that is not happened because of the user permissions and all. Okay, tomorrow I will just resolve this issue. So now what I will do is we will execute a Java program by using the Eclipse. Okay, uh, see, I've installed something called as STS. Okay, okay, this is also another kind of Eclipse only. Okay, so don't panic. Okay, so STS is also Eclipse only. Okay, uh, so I will give you this download link. Okay, if you want to download this STS, just type in Google, just type download STS. Okay, just go to this spring.io. Okay, just go to this spring.io, go here and see here, just click on this. Okay, just if you click this, zip folder will come. Okay, just extract it. Okay, if you extract the zip folder, okay, just let me show you. There is software folders. Here software is there. Okay, like this uh, one file will get download. Okay, you just need to extract this. If you extract, this folder will come. Okay, you just need to double click this. Okay, Spring Tool Suite. Okay, so where you can download this Spring Suite tool, you just go to this site. Okay, spring.io. Okay, so just click this. Okay, let me give this as give this link as well. For STS. Okay, so your choice. Okay, you can use the Eclipse as well. Okay, like your choice. Okay, so now what I will do is okay, so here let me close this project. Let me close it. So just click on file, new Java project. Okay, so I will just give Java project because I will give. Okay, so how to create? Okay, how to create a project in Eclipse? So just type file, new Java project, Java project. Okay, click on next, click on next, click on finish. Okay, discourage. Okay, it is asking the package name. Just click create. That's okay. Can delete this module. Okay, so here just right click on new, click on package, com dot example dot project, like this I will give. Okay, I'm creating a package. Okay, packages are nothing but a folders. Okay, inside of the folder, let me create a class file. Okay, so that is, I will type hello. Okay, so I want main menu. Okay, you can click this and give finish. Okay, so now just type system dot out dot println. Hello Java. Okay, so now let me execute this. See, hello Java is coming. Okay, so we just executed a simple Java program. Okay, so now you are very lazy to type all this line. Then we have a shortcuts as well. Okay, let me teach you about the shortcuts. Okay, now you forgot to get that main menu. Okay, so if you create a project, you want a main menu, right? Just type ME. Okay, just type MA control space. Okay, control space, main method came, enter. Okay, like that. Okay, just type MA control space, MA control space, enter. Okay, now you are very lazy to type system dot out dot println. You are very lazy, so just type syso. Okay, just type hello Java. Okay, let me explain. Just type syso control space. Okay, see here sysout. Oh sorry, yeah, sysout. So now here just type hello Java. Okay, so let me execute. Okay, so now, okay, so now this Java program, okay, see every Java program must contain, okay, must contain class or interface. Okay, so this class or interface. Okay, I will explain about classes and objects. Okay, when I was talking about object oriented programming language. Okay, so here this is not mandatory, you can remove this if you want. You can remove, that's okay. Okay, that public. Okay, so class, and this is a class name. Okay, public is basically access modifiers. Okay, access modifier. We have different types of access modifiers. Okay, we have different types of access modifiers. We have like four types of access modifiers: public, private, protected, default. Okay, we have different types of access modifiers. Okay, I will explain this when I was talking about the object oriented programming language. Okay, next you have static. Okay, this is a very big concept. Okay, static can be applied with the methods, variables, or classes. Okay, I will talk about this later. Okay, next is the void. Okay, void is a return type. Okay, void is a return type. Okay, we will discuss more about the return types when I was talking about the methods. Okay, next is main. Main indicates the startup of a program. Okay, so or okay, main basically it will indicate the startup. Okay, where the program execution will start. Okay, that is main. Okay, this string and args is there, no, this is, we'll call it as a command line arguments. Okay, I will discuss about more on command line arguments during the methods. Okay, during the methods I will explain about the arguments. Okay, so that time we will discuss. Okay, so next this line is used to, this line is used to print the line. Okay, print the line. Okay, so yeah, so that's about this simple Java program. Okay, so okay, so this is the first class, right? So I don't want to put so many things on your head. Okay, so we will discuss about other concepts in the tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we'll execute so many programs. Okay, So we will continue the class. So yeah, Sunil. So now, can I ask you some questions? Sunil, are you there? Sunil, can you hear me? Sunil, are you there? Can you unmute? Sunil, are you there? Okay. I think some problem. Okay. So can I continue the class tomorrow? Okay, I think some problem. I think you are not able to communicate, I guess. Okay. So we'll continue the class. Okay. So tomorrow I will explain about variables and all. Okay. So we will continue the class. Okay. Yeah. So that's about it today. Okay. So we'll continue from tomorrow.